In this video I'll show you how you can prevent your hard drives or devices from sliding on your desk. This hard disk has a rubber feet, but some of them came out and it's only one or two left, and it's kind of starting to slide on the table, and I'm not really happy about that. You see, that's the place where this rubber feet were sitting before, and now they're gone. And also the hard drive is rubbing against the desk when I put it on a table. It's only one rubber foot here left, really. So it's better to just remove it. It's easy to remove it. It's a little piece of rubber only sitting there with the sticky tape. You could get some nice rubber fit for your device, this could be used for anything, for a phone, for a hard drive, anything that should be stable on a desk. And to be able to keep this hard disk more or less stable, I really just use electrical tape. Cutting the size I want. This is really up to you. You can use any size you like. I like to put two pieces of electrical tape, one on each side. Doesn't really matter where you put it, as long as it's more or less in the middle, or could be on the other side. Really, it doesn't look like it's doing much, but it feels a bit more grippy, a bit more secure when I slide this hard drive on the desk because of the tape. To be even more secure, I add more pieces of tape on the opposite sides. Really, I mean, you could put the tape on the corners where the rubber feet used to be, or you can use actual pieces of rubber feet made for this purpose. But this is just a small external hard drive, 2.5-inch hard drive, so yeah, that's fine. Let me know in the comment section below how you put rubber feet on your devices. Do you use the regular rubber feet, or use some kind of a hack like this one, this trick to put just electrical tape on the device? You could even use double-sided tape if you want it to stay where it is. And that's USB 3.0 and 2.0 all in one. It's not USB-C, not so good. USB-C nowadays is the preferred way to have it connected, but it works. Yeah, electrical tape, that's all.